At East Delta University, we not only believe in education, but also believe in empowerment, action, and bringing a tangible differences in the world. That's why we are proud to introduce the Masters of Public Policy and Leadership program. A program that will not only empower, but also help us to bring a change in the world. When it comes to real world, we hardly know how to put our learnings into practices. East Delta University works as a guiding light, bridging the gap between theory and practices through academia and governance. The MPPL program wasn't just about textbooks or lectures. It was about fostering a generation of leaders. A leader who dare to dream, dare to challenge, and dare to make a positive difference. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of policy discourse and ethical leadership has never been greater. The MPPL program has equipped the students with knowledge, skills, and ethical leadership in order to navigate the complexity of the modern world. Our curriculum equips the student to face any challenges in today's policy landscape. Our alumni are working in different corporates, government, and NGO sectors like UNICEF, UNESCO, Ministry of Labor and Employment, and many more. The MPPL program has initiated the Policy Dialogue series by fostering a culture of research, education, and dialogue to elevate the policy discussions in Bangladesh. Here, we are not only talking about change, we are making it happen one policy at a time by making change maker, innovators, and leaders that the nation wants.